Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Bitcoin is facing resistance below the $80,000 level despite a surge in network activity. The hash rate recently reached an all-time high and daily on-chain transactions remain strong. So analysts point to a potential consolidation zone between $80,000 and $85,000 with bears defending these levels. So at the same time, Bitcoin's growing transaction count and active addresses suggest healthy network usage. However, traders remain cautious, citing macroeconomic uncertainties and technical indicators showing overbought conditions. Now, a breakout above $85,000 could spark renewed bullish momentum, while a drop below $77,000 may lead to short-term downside. World Liberty Financial moved $775,000 in USDC to a wallet typically used for altcoin acquisitions. Now, the move follows prior purchases of MNT and AVAX, and WLFI now holds a diverse portfolio including ETH-wrapped Bitcoin, Link, and more. So the group also partnered with Sweep Blockchain to develop DeFi applications and announced plans to launch USD1, a new stablecoin backed by US treasuries and dollar deposits. This stablecoin will launch on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, both targeting institutional and sovereign investors. Base has emerged as the leader in DEX transactions, significantly outpacing competitors. Meanwhile, Optimism has seen a surge in cross-chain transfer volume, handling $410 million in a single day. Nearly 40% of the total value moved across major chains. Now, Optimism's interoperability with Ethereum Layer 2 solutions has enhanced its role in liquidity movement. Also, Base's dominance in DeFi transactions combined with Optimism's strong performance in cross-chain volume signals a shift in the market as these platforms gain traction due to faster, more efficient solutions. The DogeCoin Foundation is pushing for broader adoption with the filing of a DogeCoin ETF by 21 shares. This marks a pivotal moment for DogeCoin as a serious financial asset. The ETF aims to offer investors direct exposure to DogeCoin's market performance. Alongside this, the foundation is collaborating with corporate partners to promote DogeCoin in various sectors, such as a partnership with the House of Doge for a race car sponsorship. And by focusing on institutional trust and using innovative marketing strategies, the foundation aims to solidify DogeCoin as a mainstream financial instrument. Now, this move comes as DogeCoin sees growing market interest, with price hovering around $0.15. Meanwhile, a life insurance company offering Bitcoin-denominated whole life insurance has raised $40 million in a Series A funding round. The firm, regulated by Bermuda Monetary Authority, aims to offer financial products that mitigate risks such as inflation, political instability, and currency fluctuations. So the funding round was co-led by Fulgur Ventures and Framework Ventures, with additional backing from Bitcoin pioneer Wences Caceres. The company plans to expand its global operations, helping millions of people access long-term financial protection using Bitcoin. And the move signals growing institutional support for crypto-backed financial services and products. VanEck is moving closer to launch a full Avalanche or AVAX ETF, with Nasdaq filing a Form 19B4 to list it. This follows an S1 registration and the creation of the AVAX Trust in March. So the ETF would passively track AVAX's price without active management. It's part of a broader trend with 40 altcoin ETF filings awaiting SEC approval in 2025, including a competing AVAX proposal from Grayscale. So while VanEck and Grayscale already offer AVAX ETPs, they have limited reach with $10.07 million and $1.4 million in AUM, respectively. So AVAX continues to trade near one-year lows at $18.24, down from over $52 in December 2024. The Australian government is exploring blockchain technology to enhance age verification processes and enforce social media restrictions. Basically, a pilot program has been launched to test blockchain's effectiveness in securing, verifying users' ages, aiming to prevent minors from accessing age-restricted content online. Additionally, the technology is being evaluated for its potential to enforce compliance with social media usage regulations. By utilizing blockchain's immutable and transparent features, the initiative seeks to create a more secure and trustworthy digital environment, addressing growing concerns over online safety and content accessibility. Standard Chartered and OKX have initiated a pilot program in Dubai to offer crypto-backed tokenized collateral services. This collaboration aims to provide institutional clients with the ability to use cryptocurrency holdings as collateral for traditional financial transactions, bridging the gap between digital and fiat financial systems. So the pilot leverages blockchain technology to tokenize crypto assets, ensuring transparency and security in collateral management. If successful, the initiative could pave the way for broader acceptance of crypto in mainstream financial operations, particularly in the Middle East burgeoning crypto market. The New Hampshire House recently passed Bill HB 302 by a narrow vote of 190 to 179, marking a significant development in the integration of cryptocurrency into public finance. The bill allows the state treasurer to invest up to 10% of the general fund in digital assets, specifically cryptocurrencies, with a market cap exceeding $500 billion. At present, Bitcoin is the only digital asset that meets this threshold. So this move positions New Hampshire alongside other pioneering states like Arizona, Texas, and Oklahoma that are working to incorporate cryptocurrency into their financial systems. After President Trump's new tariffs on Chinese goods, Bitcoin miners are rushing to import mining equipment to mitigate rising costs. The tariffs have driven up the price of essentially mining hardware, especially ASIC, application-specific integrated circuit machines, which are key for efficient Bitcoin mining. Now, with these increased costs, miners are now seeking ways to secure equipment from non-Chinese sources or expedite imports before further tariff hikes. So this shift in sourcing strategies is part of a broader trend where miners are adjusting to a volatile geopolitical and economic landscape, ensuring the profitability of their operations in the face of global trade tensions. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3ostv.io or scan the QR code.